Here's how to add questions in the query document or template. Query questions are inquiries or documents that your firm requests from the client. Questions are grouped into related sets, and you must have at least one question set in the document to be able to add questions. To add a question set, select Add on the left pane and enter the name of the set. Notice how the blue Add icon is now available. When you select the icon, you're presented with a list of response types. Select Text if you want clients to respond in the provided text field. Select Date if you want clients to respond by entering a date using the provided calendar. Select File Upload if you want clients to upload documents in the provided upload box. You can also set a destination for the uploaded documents. The destination can be either a placeholder or a folder in the documents page. You can also specify the desired number and name for the uploaded documents. Once a query is closed, the client uploaded document is automatically saved in the destination you've specified. Notice how the name and number are added. If the client uploads more than one document, revisions are automatically created based on the number you've specified. Select Pick List if you want clients to respond by selecting an option from a list. Enter the applicable options. Here we have Yes as option 1, No as option 2, Not applicable as option 3. You can also include an Other option if needed. Here's how the pick list question looks to the client. Select Multi-Pick List if you want clients to respond by selecting more than one option from a list. Similar to the pick list, enter the applicable options. And here's how the multi-pick list question looks to clients. You can also add more than one response type in the same query question. For example, we can add a text field in this question so that clients can add a description of tax issues they've encountered in case they answer yes. Select More Actions, Settings, then select Add Response and choose Manual to include a text field. You can also change the order of the response types. Watch our next video to learn how you can single source information using data links in Caseware PBC Requests. Thanks for watching.